To make a V-shaped cut, hold the knife just like you do for a paring cut. Anchor the thumb of your knife hand against the wood and cut in at an angle with the tip of the knife. Then rotate the wood. Anchor your thumb and the other side of the cut and cut in at an angle next to the first cut. Make sure the two cuts meet at the bottom or deepest point. That's what creates the V-shaped groove. You can also use the center of the cutting edge to make intersect angle cuts on a corner of a blank, which creates V-shaped notches.